Hello, grade 6 students. Again, welcome to another science class with me, teacher Nico. Okay, so for today's class, it's all about, yes, sedimentary rocks. Okay, sedimentary rock is one of the type of rocks. We have three rocks, right? Three types of rocks. The first one we have igneous rock. And then this one, the second one is sedimentary rocks. And the third one we have metamorphic rocks. So again, igneous rocks, what are the examples of igneous rocks? We have granite, obsidian, okay, basalt, and pumice. So for today's topic, it's all about sedimentary rocks. Okay, first, let's spell sedimentary rocks. One, two, three. Sedimentary. Sedimentary. And then rocks. 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 Okay. Sedimentary rocks. Okay. So let's start with the first sedimentary rocks we have. Oh, what type of rock is it? What's it called? Hmm. Everybody read. Conglomerate. 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 Very good. So spell conglomerate. Conglomerate. Again, Conglomerate. Conglomerate. Very good. So, when we say conglomerate, remember the word again, coarse and grains. Okay? But first, let us read the definition. One, two, three. Has coarse and large grain. We say large grain, this one, the large grain. Okay? Hmm. In one stone, they have a little bit grains. So this stone is what we call conglomerate. Has coarse and large grains. Remember the word again? Coarse and grains. Okay? So again, first, let's spell conglomerate and then I will, after you spell out, I will cover it. Okay? Spell conglomerate. 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 Very good. Again, Conglomerate. Conglomerate. Very good. Again, I will try to cover up now. Now, spell conglomerate. Conglomerate. Very good. Conglomerate. Again now. Conglomerate. Okay. Conglomerate. Conglomerate. Remember the word coarse and grain. Okay, sorry. Okay. Next, number two. What type of rock is it? So everybody say sandstone. 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 Okay. When we say sandstone, okay, everybody read the definition. The texture is finer and usually layered. The texture is finer and usually layered. Okay. Remember the word finer and layered. When you hear the word finer and layered, that is what we call sandstone. So, this is the example of sandstone, okay? A little bit big, but I think this one, no? Sandstone. The texture is finer. I think fine, okay? Finer. The roughness of the stone is quite Good. And usually layered like this, layered. Okay. So this one is what we call sandstone. Again, remember the word finer and layered. Okay. Now, spell sandstone. Sandstone. Very good. Sandstone. Sandstone. Now let's try to cover up. Go. Sandstone. Sandstone. Very good. So next, this one. What type of rock is it? Everybody say shale. 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 Okay. So when we say shale, the definition is one, two, three. Very fine grains made up of clay or mud. Okay. Made up of clay or mud. Okay. You know what the meaning of clay is, okay? And then mud. But I think you need to remember this word. When you hear the word fine grains, unlike conglomerate, coarse, and grain, this one, fine grains. When you hear the word fine grain, what we call shale. Very good. Shale. Fine grains. Okay? So again, let's spell shale. 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 Okay. Shale. Shale. Spell shale. 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 Very good. Next stone we have. Okay, this one quite like a crystal, like granite, right? But this is a example of sedimentary rock. So, what type of rock is it? Everybody say, hmm, gypsum, gypsum, gypsum. Okay. So when we say gypsum, the definition or the meaning is made up of sulfate minerals. Sulfate minerals. Okay. Remember the word sulfate mineral. Okay. When you hear the word made of sulfate minerals, that is what we call gypsum. Gypsum. Now, can you spell gypsum? Gypsum. 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 Now, I try to cover up. Okay. Spell gypsum. 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 Very good. Okay. And remember the word sulfate minerals. Okay. Understand? Next number. This one. What type of rock is it? Hmm. Okay. Everybody say halite. 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 Okay. When we hear the word halite, this is the definition. Okay. Also known as rock salt. Rock salt. Okay. Also known as rock salt. Okay. Remember the word rock salt. When you hear the word rock salt, that is what we call halite. Halite. Okay, now spell halite. 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 Okay, again. Halite. Halite. All right, very good. Next. Okay, this one. Okay, right? So, what type of rock is it? Mhm. Okay, everybody say limestone. 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 Okay, when we say limestone, everybody read made up of shells or skeletons of marine animals. Remember the word shells or skeletons of marine animals. I think, do you know the marine animals? The marine animals, when you say marine animals, an animal that can you see or live on water. Okay? So for example, maybe the geologist or archaeologist, uh, example for that, I guess the stone in the dead animals or the fossils, and then made up of shells or skeleton, that is what we call limestone. Okay? Remember the word shells or skeletons. Shells or skeletons. Okay? What we call limestone. Now, spell limestone. 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 Very good. Again, Limestone. Limestone. Very good. Try to cover up. Everybody spell limestone. 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 Very good. Okay, again, remember the word shells or skeletons. Okay, so next stone, I think this is the last stone. We have coal. Okay, coal. Coal. When we say coal, made up of decaying. Okay, decaying. Decaying, same with rotten, dead animals and plants. Okay, they say plants because, for example, we have a wood, and then we will put a fire, and then in the when the wood is came burnt out, there's some we call it the wood, some stone like that, or hard stone in it. Okay, that stone is what we call coal. Okay, also coal can see or saw in a dead animal, but they need to become decay or rotten. So coal made up of decaying dead animals and plants. Remember the word decaying, okay? Decaying, decaying. That's coal, okay? Remember the word decaying, that is what we call coal, okay? Understand? Next. Oh, spell coal. 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 Again. Coal. Coal. Made of decaying dead animals and plants. Okay? Decaying. Ito na. So, oh. Now, I want you to get, again, a piece of paper or anything that you can write, notebook, okay? Paper and pen or pencil. And then write 1 up to 7. And after you write 1 up to 7, I'll read the question. And after I read the question, I will count 1 to 5. And after that, I will proceed to another question. Is it okay? Understand? Again, get a piece of paper or notebook or anything that you can write on, and also a pen or pencil, and write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then I will read the question. After I read the question, I will count 1 to 5. After time's up, I'll go to the next question. Is that clear? Okay, now let's start with number 1. Number 1. Made up of decaying dead animals and plants. Again, made up of decaying dead animals and plants. As I said earlier, the word decaying to be remembered. Okay, decaying. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Time's up. Next, number 2. Number 2, made up of shells or skeletons of marine animals. This one, as I said earlier, you need to remember shells or skeletons. Okay? Shells or skeletons. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, time's up. Number 3. Also known as a rock salt. Remember the word rock salt. What type of rock is it? Also known as rock salt. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Time's up. Number 4. Made up of sulfate minerals. Remember the word sulfate minerals. 5. Sulfate minerals. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, time's up. Number 5. Oh, this one, the keyword is fine grains. Okay, the question is very fine grains made up of clay or mud. Fine grains, the word to be remembered, and clay or mud. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hands up. Okay, last two. Number 6. Number 6, the question is, the texture is finer and usually layered. Oh, this one, finer and usually layered. This one, fine grains. This one, finer and usually layered. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, for the last question, number 7, we have this one. The first question, the first I teach you earlier. The first stone, the first rock that I teach you earlier has coarse and large grains. Large grain. This one, fine grains. This one, large grains. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, time's up. Okay, now let's check your work. So let's start with the first number 1. What is the answer? Number 1 is very good, coal. I said earlier the keyword or the word to be remembered is decaying. Okay, coal. So spell coal, C-O-A-L, coal. Very good. Next, number 2. Limestone. Very good. Limestone. The word to remember is shells or skeleton. Okay. Limestone. Limestone. Good. Next. Very good. Halite. Halite. The word to remember, rock salt. Okay. Halite. Halite. Very good. Number 4, we have gypsum. Okay, spell gypsum. Gypsum. Okay, Gypsum. Very good. Next, number 5, we have shale. Okay, shale. Okay, spell shale. 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 Okay. Shale. Okay, next number six, sandstone. Very good. Sandstone. So Sandstone. Sandstone. Again. Sandstone. Very good. And then the last one, the first rock that I teach you is very good. Conglomerate. Conglomerate. So the spelling is Conglomerate. Again, Conglomerate. Very good. Okay. So now count the correct answer. If you get the perfect score, good job or very good. Okay. If you get a low score, it's okay. You can get another quiz. Keep it up now. Okay. So I think that is our lesson. I hope you enjoyed grade 6 and see you again next time. Thank you and goodbye.